This video is about teaching mathematics to students with special needs. Specifically, it is teaching students who find learning mathematics very challenging. Students of this nature usually find mathematics challenging because they cannot remember and recall information when needed. Here, we introduce a very simple and systematic way of teaching so that it makes it easier for them. Today, we will be focusing on learning the multiplication table. The approach here is slightly different from what we will teach our typical school students. Actually, it is almost the reverse way. When teaching a typical students, we focus on concept, then procedure and finally application. However, for these students, we will teach them first the procedure, then the application before explaining the concept to them. Okay, ready? Here we go. Let us start with the 2 times table. The 2 times table is basically alternating between saying and writing. We would say a number, then write the next number, say the next number, write the next number, and so on. Okay, so let's start. Say 1, write 2. Say 3, write 4. Say 5, write 6. Say 7, write 8. Say 9, write 10. Say 11, write 12. Say 13, write 14. Say 15, write 16. Say 17, write 18. Say 19, write 20. That is it. We now have the 2 times table. Now that we have shown them how to write the 2 times table, we get them to write and recite a few times. After that, we get them to count with their fingers. Remember to always start from the leftmost finger and work the way to the rightmost finger. Once they can recite the 2 times table more or less all right, we can move on to the application. If they still miss a count here and there, it is still fine to move on. There are more chance to recite the 2 times table when we are doing the application. Now that we can recite the times table, we will put them into practice. Let us try solving this sum, 7 times 2. Step 1, circle the times table we know. In this case, we know the 2 times table, so we circle the 2 times table. Step 2, we put out the number of the fingers according to the other number. In this case, we put out 7 fingers. Step 3, recite the 2 times table as we close each finger a time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, so 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Next, we moved on to more applications. We can use teaching materials like the link cubes. Let them count in groups of 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. We can also use the daily things that come in pairs. For example, the number of slippers on the shoes rack, the total number of eyes of the 5 teddy bears, the number of wheels of 6 bicycles, or the number of feet of 2 light animals. To guide the students to be more familiar with the procedure, we will give them verbal prompts. Let's take this sum as an example. Prompt 1, circle. Circle the timetable we know. Prompt 2, fingers. Put out the fingers according to the other number. Prompt 3, count. Skip count according to the timetable. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So 2 times 9 is 18. We have come to the end of part 1 of this video. Thank you for watching this video and we hope you have benefit from it. Watch out for our next video of this multiplication series. It will cover the different techniques for the other times table. Do check it out. And before you go, if you like it, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.